Okay, so that's heated through, so that's done. Okay, so that goes off. So now we'll talk about assembly. I'm gonna add another little just pinch of salt here. This stuff out of my way. Just to combine that in so nobody gets a big chunk of salt. Okay, so now let's talk about our flatbread. This is our flatbread, and there's different kinds, okay? So this is not pita, okay? So if it was pita, we could like squeeze it and it would open up, okay? That's not happening. So this is just a soft flatbread. So you just simply put this here, and if you want to put your tzatziki down on the bottom, you can, but we're gonna do it like this. So just a little bit of chicken. We want to make sure that we're able to pick this thing up when we're ready. Okay, everything needs to be on the inside. And then our cucumber salsa. Okay, and then we'll top with our tzatziki. Okay, bring this back in here. Tomato, and basically you fold and you're ready to eat. Really, really easy, guys. Okay, there you go.